It's a 2018 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek-looking, fuel-efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, digital instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
For a great selection of quality vehicles, call, click, or stop in to Bill Marine Honda today. We're conveniently located at 579 East North Street, Springfield.